Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can use Notion to map your career path, your ultimate 2025 guide. First things first, you'll need to create a new page in Notion. Title it something like Career Path 2025. This is where you'll be plotting out your professional journey for the next few years. This helps us because it gives us a dedicated space where we can see our career goals and progress in one place. Next up, create some subpages. These will act as categories for your career path. For instance, you can have current position, skills to develop, potential opportunities, and long-term goals. The reason we do this is to break down our career path into manageable chunks. It's much easier to tackle one section at a time than trying to take on everything at once. Now that we've done that, let's populate these subpages. Under current position, list out your responsibilities and achievements. This helps us because it provides a clear picture of where we are starting from. For skills to develop, think about what skills you need to reach your next career milestone. Write them down. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're identifying gaps in your skill set that you can work on. Onto potential opportunities. Research and list down jobs, roles, or industries you're interested in. This is important because it helps us visualize possible directions we can take in our career. Finally, under long-term goals, write down where you see yourself professionally in the long run. This could be a specific role, a level of income, or even starting your own business. The reason we do this is to have a tangible endpoint to aim for in our career journey. Now, let's add a timeline to this. Go back to your main Career Path 2025 page and add a timeline view. Plot your current position, the skills you plan to learn, potential opportunities you want to explore, and your long-term goals. This gives you a visual roadmap of your career path, making it easier to see the steps you need to take and when you need to take them. Let me explain why this matters. Having a visual timeline not only helps you plan out your journey, it also keeps you accountable. You can see at a glance if you're on track or if you need to adjust your plans. And there you have it. You've now mapped out your career path on Notion. Remember, this isn't set in stone. As you progress, keep updating and tweaking your career path page. This will be a living document that grows with you. Just a quick wrap-up. Today, we learned how to use Notion to map our career path, breaking it down into subpages and creating a visual timeline. This tool can be a game changer in planning your professional future. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you next time.